Leetcode daily challenge. The problem today is a hard one, number 778, swim in rising water. This looks like a DFS problem to me, because if we pick up any square, there are 4 directions, which means 4 children for the next move. These children includes the one that above it, below it, left to it, and right to it. The minimum time that you can swim to this square will be the bigger number between this square and its neighbor. For example, if you swim from the left, then the bigger number of 0 and 2 is 2. Then you're gonna need minimum 2 seconds to reach this square. Actually, this problem is pretty similar to a trap water problem that we had before, which is 407, where we started from a boundary, then pushing the boundary inward with this minimum height. So same here. We are starting from top left corner. Then we can push it forward with the minimum next child, which means we always choose the lowest one that we are swimming to for the next square of land. So which gonna be a priority queue. In this queue, we can always pick up the smallest number from it easily, and we're gonna use, this is a priority queue. We're gonna use heap queue here in this solution. While at the same time, we also want a flag to identify if a square has been visited or not, so we can cut the loop. Once we reach the red bottom corner, that will be the result that we are looking for.